Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video today I'm going to show you how you can edit the voices of your voice AI agents. A great sounding agent builds trust fast. So with the expanded voice AI catalog and the custom imports from ElevenLabs, you can match tone, language and style to your audience. So let me show you how you can access the catalog, import voices from ElevenLabs and swap an agent's voice in a few clicks. So to access the catalog, let's click on AI agents on the left, click on voice AI at the top, click on agent list and then select the agent in question. Let's click the three dots here, click on edit, and then here you see the voice section. At this moment we have Jessica as the voice who speaks English with an American accent and is a female. Now if you would like to change this, click on Jessica and this window will pop up. Here you can see library and my voices. Let's start with the library. Here you can select between providers, ElevenLabs, OpenAI, Cartesia. So let's go with ElevenLabs. Here you can select your language. Please note we have over 26 languages available and over 340 high quality voices, more to come. So let's stick with English for now. Here we can select the accent. Do we want American English, British English, Scottish English, Australian and so on. Let's stick with British. And here we can select the gender. Let's go with female. And now you can see down here it has pre-selected 15 different voices that match these criteria. At the top here you can see Jessica, which is the one we've currently selected. So if you click the button here, you can play her voice. And then if you click a button here on Katie, you can just easily compare which one works best for you. If you prefer Katie over Jessica, you just click on Katie and click Save Voice. Now you can see the voice has been changed. Now let's go back. Let's click on My Voices. And here we can import different voices from different providers. Let's click Add Custom Voice. And here you can select the provider, ElevenLabs or Cartesia. And please note, you can import up to 10 different voices if you're an agency owner. This does not work if you're not an agency owner. Only agency owners can import voices. Now, if we go with ElevenLabs, we need the voice ID. So let's head over to ElevenLabs. Let's say we would like to import Mohammed Al-Mansari. Let's click the three dots and here we can copy the voice ID. Let's go back to the CRM and then insert the ID here and Mohammed shows up. We can also play this voice again to make sure that is what we're after. Hit enter. Hit import voice and tada, Mohammed has been queued to be imported. Please note this may take a few seconds until the import is complete. Let's hit save voice, and once the voice has been imported, make sure that you give yourself a test call and make sure it is set up exactly the way you want it. Changing a voice will not affect call scripts, intents or responses. The script logic stays intact. Only the audible voice changes. And there's no limit to how often you can change those voices. You can change an agent's voice as frequently as you like. And the update takes effect immediately after you click save. In case your add custom voice button is grayed out, that means you have already imported 10 voices, which is the maximum. Imports are non-deletable, so the button is disabled once the cap is hit. Also, please know that all the voices are available for inbound as well as for outbound calls. And no, there's no extra cost to access those new voices. The new voices are included for all users who have upgraded their voice AI agents. Well, I hope you liked this feature and be sure to check out all of our other videos within the playlist. I will see you over there. For more information about this particular feature or any other feature, check out the Content Army YouTube playlist as well as the help doc library linked in the show notes below and our blog. See you then.